Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making something really warm, hearty and absolutely delicious. Sweet potato and chicken loaf. Here we have our chicken, sweet potatoes. So what I'll have to do is just wash them, clean them and then cut into cubes. I have my seasoning. Also, I have some eggs and other stuff that I'll be adding subsequently. In my pot of already boiling water, I just added in some seasoning. Now I'm going to add in my chicken. So after adding in my chicken, I cubed my sweet potatoes. While my chicken is cooking, I'll have to cook my sweet potato in a separate pot. My dear friends, this recipe is super easy and you can always make it for your family. In another pot, I just added in some salt. Then I'll go ahead to add in my sweet potatoes. I'll bring everything to a boil until they are well tender and soft. Then I'll have to set aside to cool for a little while, then mash them. Now our chicken is well cooked. I'll just have to shred the chicken, take out the bones, then I'll shred them in tiny bits. My chicken is well shredded. As you can see, my chicken is well shredded into tiny bits, and here are the bones. We don't need this one, so we just discard. Here are our well cooked sweet potatoes. Now we'll start by mashing up some tender cooked sweet potatoes. Then we'll mix them with our shredded chicken, add some eggs and a flavor blend of seasoning. Once everything is well combined, we will shape it into a loaf and bake it until it's golden brown. This recipe is super easy. The result is a nutritious protein baked dish that's slightly crispy on the outside, soft and savory on the inside, and full of natural sweetness from the potatoes. It's simple, satisfying, and perfect for a whole family. And that is it, my friends. Our savory and satisfying sweet potato chicken loaf is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. I post easy homemade recipes just like this every week. Try this loaf. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Feel free to share your own twist on the recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next one. Happy cooking!